front of your solar plexus chakra is right around under your sternum. In the back, your solar plexus chakra is your mid-back. Its color is yellow. Let's do some solar plexus chakra clearing and repair. Imagine a yellow funnel that is symbolizing your solar plexus chakra. This is the image you will be using to symbolize your solar plexus chakra. Step 1. Clear entities and attachments. Ask yourself if there are any entities or attachments targeting your solar plexus chakra. You may see images of critters or strange things on your funnel. Don't be freaked. Just ask your angels to please clear them, and you will notice that they disappear. Angels, please clear my solar plexus chakra of any entities and attachments, front, center, and back. Thank you, angels. Step 2. Clearing energetic cords. Ask yourself if you have any cords on your solar plexus chakra while imagining your yellow funnel. If you see any rope or vine-like cords, dissolve them with golden healing light. If they don't clear easily, ask for help from your angels. You can also use Reiki. And thank you, angels, for helping to clear these cords on my solar plexus chakra. Step 3. Clear emotional energy blocks. Ask if you have any energy blocks in your solar plexus chakra. They may present as dark spots or chunks. Be sure to check the inside of your funnel as well, and direct Reiki and golden healing light on energy blocks to dissolve. Take as much time as you need, and you can always ask your angels for help if you need. Step 4. Repair damage to chakra. Ask if you have any damage to your chakra. Examine your funnel for spots that look smashed, torn, or punctured, and direct Reiki golden healing light on these areas and allow them to reform.
Wow! Please, Daddy.
You can ask your angels for help and allow your solar plexus chakra to reform itself, repair, heal, reform. Step 5. Now that you have cleared and repaired your solar plexus chakra, it is time to activate and elevate. Give it a good wash with golden healing energy and Reiki, and change the color of yellow to the one that you feel is best for you at this time. Just saturate your solar plexus, front, center, back, all around the outside, all around the inside, washing out the inside with divine golden healing light, Reiki, angel healing energy. Alright. And give it some glow. There you go. Wonderful. You just cleared and repaired your solar plexus chakra.